How to make ramen 101. First, open the bag. Then take the little packet and throw them in the trash. Then, fill the pot full of water. Boy, this is taking a while. Cut it, will ya? Then, put the pot on the stove and set it to boil. Then, get yourself a cutting board and a knife. Then, get some cilantro and chop it up. Then, make sure the water is hot enough. Then, put your ramen in there. Then, get your cilantro and throw it in there. Then, get yourself 2 eggs and toss them in. Don't forget the cuties. Then, get yourself a colander. Then, put your ramen in there. Then, add some pepper. Then, mix them all together. Then, taste it.